Steven, describe the situation.
Well,
Get him, boys. You guys, he's not gonna stay out if he feels it. Don't, Steven, stop wasting your ammo.
I was trying to shoot high.
You still got two guys down there, Ryan?
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Come on, I'm ready to.
Go, 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 just go, 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 go. Ryan's gonna look inside. There you go! That's the way to do it. Sprint to that. I couldn't get over here. Here's the bunker. There's the bunker right there. Alright, Connor's out. Steven, hold him down. Connor, you need to move. Go, 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 go. Connor, Ronnie's coming, he's coming. I don't think you hit him.
I didn't feel anything.
I didn't see nothing hit him.
I didn't feel
I knew you were gonna get hit though.
Yeah, I just got it.
Good job. Move. You alright, Connor? Move. Brennan's out!
Where is he?
I can't tell you.
Where's he at?
Go, Ryan, go. He's down, go. Go, Ryan, go, get him. Are you out? Thank you. Good job, Ryan. I'll quit being a little poo. You hit me in the face.
He hit me in the face too.
Did he?
Knee in the side of the head. Hey, Steven. Come here, and I'm gonna go around behind the shed. All right.
Steven, move up. Just Steven, move up. So describe the situation, Ryan.
Yeah. I see Diesel. Oh, right there.
Steven's going around. Hey, it's either Steven or Connor's going all the way around. I got hit. I got hit in the back of the head. Alright, so me and Ryan, we're in a pickle. We're trapped in the woods. Alright, Ronnie's coming up. He's coming up, Ryan.